Hello students, after learning about how to enter the text on the web page, next thing that we have to see is how to add images on the web page. Many a times when we open websites, we see a lot of images which are present on the web page. Images make the web page look more attractive. Let us understand how can we add images in a web page. Now, if we want to insert images on a web page, we have to use Img tag. Img stands for image. Img is a standalone tag. It means it doesn't has a closing. It is an empty tag. Img tag is used to insert image within a web page. It is an empty tag. So thus it doesn't have a closing. Some of the attributes of Img tag are: first one, src. src stands for source. src attribute displays the path of the image. Popular extensions are .png, .jpg, .gif. This means that we can use images with these extensions on the web page. Value for src attribute is URL. That means location, file name, and extension. The next attribute is alt attribute. Alt attribute specifies alternate text of the image. Sometimes the image is not displayed on the web page. Maybe the browser does not support or there are some network issues. In those cases, alt attribute is used. The value for alt attribute is any text. We can write any text which is going to describe the image. The next attribute is height attribute. Height attribute specifies height of the image in pixels. So now the value for height attribute will be taken in pixels. Width. Width attribute is used to specify the width of the image. Value for width also is taken in pixels. Many times it happens that the original image is too big or the original image is too small. In that cases, we can change height and width so that we can adjust it according to our need. Let us understand Img tag and its attributes in a program. So here we have HTML code for inserting image in the web page. In this example, we have inserted just one image. So let's have a look at the program. First statement is doctype HTML. Then the page starts with HTML tag. Next we have head, title. The title specified is image tag. The title closes, head closes. After the head closes, body section starts. H1, inserting image, a heading describing what the web page is doing. Next we use Img tag. Img src equal to, now here this is the path, this is the path, this is name of the file, and this is the extension. Let us see how do we get this. I'll delete it. To get the URL of the file, first thing, locate the file. In this particular example, we are using sample.jpg. The extension of this image is .jpg. Students, you have to try this example with different types of images. You can use PNG, JPG, GIF. All these different extensions are supported by Img tag. Once we have located the image, right click on the image, go to properties. After you go to properties, copy the location. Always copy paste. Come to the word and paste it here. Now we have pasted the location. Next is name of the file. The name of the file is sample. So copy the name of the file. Ctrl C. Over here we will use a slash and then name of the file. Dot extension. Now in this case I can see the extension with the file name. If it is not seen with the file name, we can refer to the type of file and copy that. Copy and paste it. You must be careful with the extensions. Now let us see the execution of this program. So here we have the execution. We can see the image is inserted on the web page. So the first attribute that we have seen is src. It is the mandatory attribute that we have to use with Img. If we do not use src, that means we have no image with us. If there is no image, we cannot insert it. Let us understand the next attribute also. Let us start with height and width. We will just copy this and paste it here. Instead of the heading, we will write Resizing Image. If we want to change the size of image, we have two attributes, height and width. So first, height. Height equal to the value is given in pixels. So I am writing 200. So here we are writing 200 pixels. Width equal to 200. After we've made the changes, we will save the file and press refresh button here. So here we can see an image which is changed in size. So this image is 200 pixels in height, 200 pixels in width. It is not mandatory to have both the values same. We can change them. I am writing 500 for the width. Save and F5. So we can see it has increased in width. Height is 200 pixels. So this is how we can change the size of the image. There is one more attribute, a very simple attribute, border. Border value is also given in pixels. It will just apply a border for the image. Let's refresh. So here we can see a border of 3 pixel thickness is applied to the image. We can insert as many images as we want. Now we are coming to the last attribute, which is alt attribute. So again copy pasting the same thing. If here we will not use this. Instead of resizing image, let's change the heading and write alternate text. Now here, if the image is not displayed, in that case, alternate text will be displayed. ALT image. So here, purposely, I am changing the extension to PNG. When I am changing the extension, it means there is no such image present. So no such image present, it will show us no image. In place of the image, it will show alternate text. So here just save the file and let's refresh this. After we refresh, let's see alternate text. We can see image, that is the same text which we have written for alternate is displayed over here. Because the image is not displayed as the extension for the image is wrong. We can try it with a different text also. I am changing the text and here we will save this and let's press F5. So here the text has changed. So the alternate text, any text that you specify over here in the value of alternate text will be displayed in case the image is not displayed. So these are the different attributes of image tag. Students, there is a small little assignment for you all. We all have seen photo galleries. When we go to our phone, there are galleries. I want everyone to try one simple assignment where you have to create a photo gallery of 6 images. You can choose your images. When you are using these images, use the images with different extensions. So it will be a practice for you all that how do we insert images on the web page. Thank you.